Hi, good afternoon everyone. So the last reporter, which is Bermudez and Bunode, discussed about mobile learning programs, which is included in our topic, instructional management and levels of technological access. Now for today's lesson, Villanueva and yours truly, Gian Morales, will be reporting about the levels of access in the mobile classroom. Now, the levels of mobile device access includes four most prominent access models. These are one-to-teacher, one-to-many, and one-to-one, and bring your own device. Now, for my report and Villanueva's report, we are only assigned on tackling the one-to-teacher, one-to-many, and one-to-one, while BOAOD will be reported by the other reporters. Before we continue with our report, we will just state the objectives. At the end of the lesson, students are expected to learn and know strategies on implementing mobile technology in the classroom and compare and contrast the levels of access in mobile learning. Now, mobile technology can be used in different ways. How many computers does the school have per student, and how are they distributed or shared? In our discussion, we'll go over the four most common access models, and those are one-to-teacher, one-to-many, one-to-one, and BYOD. But in our part, let's just focus on the top three access models, which are the one-to-teacher, one-to-many, and one-to-one. To start with our topic, let's first be familiar with one-to-teacher. A teacher in an outside of the classroom setup must always have its own device for her or him to use in educating students. That is why in one-to-teacher, it depicts about a teacher having its own device, for it is a vital thing to have as an educator, especially now that we're in a virtual class setup. Truly, it is useful. Tony Vincent, an advocate and thought leader in the educational technology field, says that tablets are teachers' pet because it can do a lot of things like monitoring the classroom, assess the work of students virtually, and also tablets are a handy equipment for teachers to use. They can bring it anywhere without hassle, and it is also smaller than laptops, so it is easier for teachers to bring it and hand it everywhere. Having a personal mobile devices by the teacher can be very helpful and can also make ways to utilize their functionality to engage and enrich the entire class. The app that can be easily associated with classroom management is ClassDojo, for it promotes positive and negative behaviors, and also teachers can easily approach and inform parents of their students or their children's performance in the class. Finding the right blend of mobile support and traditional methods in the classroom is a challenging thing for a teacher, and also in mobile learning, using a device for classroom management is a gradual process and requires balance for greater and successful outcome. And now, Villanueva